Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I am heading to Dominican Republic. It's a group trip and the flight, we are going on a new airline. Oh yeah, I'm excited. It's called Arajet. Fly from Jamaica to Santo Domingo, and then we're going to fly over to Punta Cana. Yeah, so I'm in the airport as usual. All the good stuff in here. Jamaican, all Jamaicans, of course. I am currently going to board my flight now. The flight is 6:45. Boarding time is 5:48. So I am heading to board my flight at this point. So I am hungry. I'm about to board the plane, so you know, I have to get some burger. Hungry kill me. Okay, so I just land. This is Santo Domingo airport. It's big and nice. I'm just waiting on the others to clear customs so we can go pick up our bags and head to our taxi. The taxi will be waiting with my name, of course, Jessica Powell, so we know which taxi to go with. The ride is like 2 hours 45 minutes to go to the Rio in Punta Cana. So it was a good little drive. Here we're going through the toll and stuff. So it's about like 4 to 5 toll I forgot through. So yeah, it's a good little journey. So I am finally here to go to Rio. So we have 2 beds in the room. I'm gonna put up some balloons right here. And let me see the type of view that is here for this one. So the view from my from my end at this point. Basic room, nothing too exciting. Them have a little mini fridge right here, so we're having juice and water and all of that. I'm have a closet. You can hang up your clothes, and of course them have the old view. And then let's just go into the bathroom. And this is the bathroom. They have a little ear dryer. You know, you have a towel lamp, brown towel lamp, have a soap, and gives you very basic. Yeah. And somebody's knocking on my door. Hello. Oh. Pull the door. They also have a mini bar like all the other Rio, and then all of them like a classic liquor and all of that. So yeah, so it's all basic like the Rio. We have a small TV right here, light, table, bed, pretty basic. And then you have the balcony. The balcony have a chair there, the view over there, the pool and all of that. And that's it. You have drawer, you can put your clothes in depending on how much days you're staying. If you want to unpack. So you just walk in, you see 2 bed, a closet, the bar, table, the TV. So it's pretty basic and nice. Nothing to not like or say, you know? Yeah.